This time on the driver's corner, we are getting the muffler put on the 79 Porsche 911. Stay tuned. Well, let me be clear. I don't know if we're getting it put on today or not because everybody's driving so slow and the muffler shop closes at 5. So that may not be happening. But either way, we're gonna go and see if they can install it. So the GT3 muffler I got for free from my buddy Paul is missing some parts. So they've got to try to make this work. He also gave me like a cat delete, but I'm not gonna install that yet. I was gonna wait on that until I see how loud this is, and we'll go from there. 2 days later. So we are heading to the exhaust shop to get the M&K GT3 muffler installed. This is what my homebrew setup that came on the car sounds like. Can't wait to hear that GT3 muffler. All right, GT3 muffler going on, but let's kind of do a cabin noise on the inside on the factory. Well, not factory, but on the muffler that's on it. Well, I will say I am super excited about the way the car sounds. I can't wait to get it out on some country roads for an hour or two this weekend. I just don't have a good, I guess, audio setup to be able to record this for you guys to actually hear it and maybe appreciate it a little bit better. But just know that it sounds amazing. Like it really, the M&K stainless steel exhaust, it's a really cool sound. It's got a really deep low rumble to it, and then in the higher RPMs it just kind of opens up and just screams. yeah, pretty angry sewing machine. Like when you really listen to it, it's like the angriest sewing machine that you could ever want. So I still haven't decided if I'm gonna install the cat delete. Let me show you this thing, hold on. So Paul, my buddy Paul gave me this as well, which is really cool. So this is a cat delete. It goes, you know, it's where the flange connects and then it mounts on the top of the heat exchanger like so. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it on yet or not. I mean, I probably will. I always act like I'm not gonna do the next cool thing to it because I don't want it to be too loud. But with this one, you have some baffles, as I showed you in the video a couple minutes ago. It's got baffles. So this guy right here, I can stick this baffle into one of the exhaust tips, and that makes it a little bit quieter. But with the engine being out back, it's not really like it's super loud. So I'll probably put that on in the next week or two. I just got to order some gaskets, so I don't have the gaskets for it, but I'll probably go ahead and put that on the car as well. So really excited about the way the car is shaping up. I have not got to work on my shift knob yet, but I do have my floorboards in, my prototipos in, and I just got to figure out what I'm going to do about carpet and stuff in this. But thanks, Paul. Super excited about the muffler. Porsche community is fantastic. I cannot believe how awesome everybody's been during this build, as well as the 77 build that I was doing prior to this. So really excited, really happy to be a part of the community, and I will see you on the next video.